wrote my names and stuff. Hello. Please like, share, subscribe. I love you guys. Improvisation. Hint. Dick. So yeah, basically I'm not that mysterious girl. I'm a human being, I'm warm-blooded. At least I'm weird. People distracts me. What my family has to go through. To be very honest, I got it because it was very cheap. Product shots as well, very close-up shots. This is freaking good. Basically your 2022 will be sorted if you watch this video.
Disclaimer, this video was supposed to go up yesterday but fuck my life, so kindly ignore that it's already 2022 for next few minutes. Okay, thank you. Also Happy New Year.
Hello everybody, this is Shubhangi. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the last video of 2021. Can you believe this, guys? I literally can't digest this fact, and I've been uploading videos regularly this year and I can't believe this fact that a year has passed. Oh my god. Okay. Anyway, let's calm down. Happy holidays. Now today's video is going to be a little bit different from my usual videos. I generally do makeup related videos, but over the past few months, as I have started uploading more frequently and regularly on my channel, there was a common comment that keeps on coming from different people in my comment section, mainly in my DMs. Though I really try my best to reply and answer all those questions, but it becomes sometimes difficult for me, or sometimes I get busy with my work and I forget to reply. So basically the question was, what are your equipment setups? How do you make the background lighting and blah related to my filming setup? Though all my videos do have a section in the description box where I have enlisted all the equipments I use, but I don't know, people still keep asking me about it. So I thought basically, why don't I sit and make a video and tell you guys all about it. But hold on, if you are not a content creator, don't worry, I have options for you guys too. Basically, I wanted to make a video about all the things that I use. For example, it could improve my health, or even make my everyday mundane life easier, or even help in improving the quality of the content that I produce, or in fact in general helps me to become better version of myself in life. Wow, that sounds so good. What a better video to post on the last day of this year. So basically your 2022 will be sorted if you watch this video. I hope, because it did sort my 2021, and I'm gonna go deep into this video. There will be all sorts of things, from stationeries to gadgets to non-electronic devices, every freaking thing that basically helps me to be a little better me. I hope there will be no further comments after this video. In this video, I'm going to basically, in simple words, going to talk about 10 important things that I use in my daily life that has changed my life completely for the better. Side note, I did not actually count. I just said it because it sounds nice. Yeah, improvisation. Anyway, to get ahead in this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and let's get started. Please tell me that today's makeup look is gorge, because I have spent literally 2 hours doing this look and I really love it. But what I don't like, I literally hate my hair today. I so want to change my hair color and just change everything about my hair, just change me, and I'm so tempted to do that. And hint, I am going to do that. So just wait for New Year. Anyway, so let's start with the first thing. Since I'm making a life-changing sort of a video, I had to include this thing because this has changed my life immensely. I was so lost about all the things that I used to do on a daily basis. I had literally no clue of what I was doing, and my time used to like fly away. So yeah, I hope you have guessed it by now. So basically, I'm talking about planning. I did not know the importance of planning, the power of planning, and I understood this year. I intend to continue this for the rest of my life. So the first thing that has changed my life is the habit of bullet journaling, or basically maintaining a bullet journal and keeping in check of the things that I do on an everyday basis, or basically the things that I do to be productive, and also some of the things that I do that kills my time. I can control them, I can check on them using bullet journal. Now this one is my 2021, which is like this year's bullet journal, and I have kind of finished almost the entire journal, and this is from Factor Notes. It is a made in India brand, and this is very cheap. I got it from Amazon at I think 199 rupees. To be very honest, I got it because it was very cheap. I think it was basically the list price journal in Amazon, and I have been using this for a year, and I can tell you guys the page quality is really good, and even the dots, the bullets are very like precise. I really like this journal. So basically this year I got another bullet journal from Factor Notes. Only the cover page is different, and I really stand by this quote. Little by little, a little becomes a lot. I really stand by this quote. So yeah, this is going to be my bullet journal for the next 1 year and I really love it. I even kind of made the framework for January and wrote my names and stuff. Now if you are interested or maybe curious to know what is there inside bullet journal, like what I write inside it, I really recommend you guys to watch that video. The basic layout is the same. I have kind of updated on few things and I have talked in details about them, I think yesterday on my Instagram, so I think I'm not going to repeat it here. So next in my list I have this freaking little tiny cute speaker. Let's talk about the sound quality. Oh my god, this is so good. As compared to other popular speakers, the price is very low and the quality of the sound, oh my god, I literally love to enjoy music, loud music. I mean, not like not like that, but I love to listen to music which is like coming from everywhere, not from my earpiece, and this helps me with that. And mainly, you know, it has increased my workout frequency. I used to do it like 3 times to 4 times every week, but now I try to do it 6 times a week. I play music here and it excites me. I kind of play all the trendy TikTok songs. Yeah, I'm very average like that. Yeah, basically I'm not that mysterious girl. I follow the crowd. So, and I sometimes just start dancing in between my reps. It made my workout session really fun. So that's why I look forward to it now. I love this freaking buddy. I even named her Infi. Actually, like, is it weird that I have a habit of naming every non-living things that I use and own? Like, I have a name for all my things and I call them by their name and I even talk to them. Now I think what my family has to go through to have me as a part of their family. Yeah, I'm weird. At least I'm weird, so what, I'm not mysterious. So this particular thing is something that I think I have never ever talked about on my channel. These are basically weights. I think these are 16 kg dumbbells that I got from Amazon, and it's been like 4 years of me having this in my room and using it. I have been using this so carelessly. Nothing has happened basically. I know it's a little bit rusty, but other than that, it's well and good. This dumbbells has helped me to immense level. Actually, you know what, now that I think of, I have never talked to you guys about my weight loss journey. If I have any old pictures, I'm gonna put it up here. So this was me 4 years ago and this was me after 2 years, and by the way, this is me now. I'm kind of in the middle of both these pictures. Don't ask me why, it's quarantine. Everybody can understand, I think now. These dumbbells are so good quality and it has literally changed my life. It has made me stronger, healthier, fit. I love this dumbbell. So if you are like scared, like which one should I buy, which one is like not good quality on Amazon, you can't buy this one because I can vouch for my 4 years of me exercising with this dumbbells. And also, I don't like to go to gyms. Even before pandemics also, I'm not a gym girl. I like to work out alone in my room. I literally get so distracted. So gym is not my cup of tea. I need to work alone. I think I'm most productive when I'm alone, and yeah, people distracts me. Yeah, I'm a very introvert kind of a person. The only talk that I do is on camera with you guys. And with my little sister, she is, I don't know what she is basically built very different. She's designed to be a person that I would be able to talk with and would love to. Anyway, no more compliments for her. So basically, this is one of the things that has like changed my life for better, and I think I'm gonna make use of them for next 5 years at least. They are too good to be thrown away, and I do intend to buy a kettlebell though and some resistant bands. Okay, so now all the things that I'm gonna mention from now are basically the things that are really well requested, and if you guys are one of them, I'm so sorry to make you guys wait. I just basically wanted to engage with my OG viewers who are not content creators and basically genuinely love my videos. For them, this part won't be fun, so I'm very grateful to you guys as well. Anyway, let's get on one by one with all the things. By the way, there are a lot of things that is required to create content, and I'm going to tell you guys only those things that are really helpful, and like I can't replace them. They literally have changed my life, so I'm going to talk about only those things, not all the things. I keep on buying things that will help me with the filming setup some way or the other, and I keep on failing because maybe the quality is not good, maybe the price is too high, or maybe I could have skipped it but impulsively bought. Anyway, so I'm not going to include any of those things. I'm going to just include my mains. Also, another disclaimer, I am going to add clips of everything. Since I'm filming this video, I have all these things in action. I literally can't have them in my hands to tell you guys what it is. The first most important thing, I think, if you are creating videos, obviously the camera or the phone. I use a phone still now, by the way. I'm filming on my phone, which is an Android phone. So apart from that, the second most important thing is a mic, which is like this one. This is like a really great mic. Like, hello. Hello. Please like, share, subscribe. I love you guys. Anyway, this mic is so good. I've been using this for like 3 years. It's been working really great. It's very easy to use it on phone. I think it's a little bit difficult to use it with camera because there's some setting that you have to change. With phone, you don't have to do anything. It's basically like a earphone. You just plug it in and talk, and your video will have great quality. So I really recommend this mic. Next up, I have ring lights. Now currently, I think last month I got myself a second ring light, which is very unnecessary. After you have the sound sorted, get yourself only one ring light. You don't actually need a ring light. All my first videos I have filmed in a very open area. That is because I used to use natural light. Even I use natural light. I'm literally filming in front of a big window. I have two big windows on my left side, and since I don't have anything on my right side, that's why I recently got myself a ring light. And it's been winter and it's so gloomy, and I hate that. That's why basically I gotten myself a ring light. Now the ring light that I have is kind of in the 1500 range, but now all the ring lights are super cheap. The second ring light I got it at 600 or 700, I don't remember, but literally half the price. So it's not very expensive. All my filming setups are very cheap. Next up we have let's talk about the most requested thing, which is my background light, how I make the background. So basically I have two lights, two LED floodlights. This is what it is called in Amazon. So if you light LED floodlights, you're gonna get a lot of options. I have two LED floodlights. First of all, I started with one LED light. I mean LED floodlight. It's so hard to say that all the time. So I'm gonna just say floodlight. So I got myself one floodlight, which I generally keep here, like literally on the floor, so that it can lit up my whole background. Then I think after a month of using this floodlight, I fell in love with it. Though there are few little tiny things that you have to look through to use this floodlight, because the wires are literally open. So you have to like have extension cords and everything like that. It's a little bit of hustle, I would say, still now. I then bought my second floodlight, which is like, you can't see probably. It's right there. I fixed it basically out of the frame on the bed. It's basically literally like here, like on the bed. Yeah, I hope you guys understand, but I'm gonna obviously add all the clips. Now you get remotes with all the lights. The second light is to lit up my face, this part of my face. You can see a little bit of red light over here. That adds a little bit of dimension and makes your video a little bit 3D. That's why I added. And obviously with the background light, it adds a little bit of character to my video. It separates me from my wall, and that enhances the overall video quality. For example, if I don't have this light, you can see it's a little bit so that's why I have the light. Now second light is basically, you're gonna understand if I make it blue. So I hope you can now understand it's a little bit blue over here. I like to keep it warm because I'm a human being, I'm warm-blooded. So that's why I keep it warm, so that it's not like bang on, because blue lights are so bad. Oh wait, this one also changed. Anyway, it's like too blue for me. I don't like it. Rather if it's like red, I like it. This is like human. Anyway, so these are the things. This is my lighting setup. And also another thing is controlling all these lighting things. Everything needs a charger, a plug and everything. So get yourself an extension. I have an extension cord. I'm gonna link everything down in the description box for you guys to check it out. So yeah, I hope it helps. Anyway, though by the way, this setup is not that great. I still intend to improve on a lot of things. First on my list is to add a backlight and like hair light. There's no big thing. Tiny things when adds up make a big difference. So these are tiny little details that I have kind of learned through YouTube. Now this product, I do not use it like on a regular basis, but this has improved my photography game to some other level, and I cannot stress enough. I love this product so much. And also, by the way, if you guys watch my video on a regular basis, you guys have noticed that I kind of put a little bit of preview or intro of the whole video, what is going to be the vibe of the whole video, a little snippets of every exciting thing in the first 30 to 50 seconds of my video. In that part, I do have a little bit of product shots as well, very close-up shots of different products, sometimes very aesthetic shots. Mainly the close-up shots, I do that using a lens, and buying that lens has changed the whole game for me. I cannot stress enough about this lens. This is so good. This is freaking good. So the next product is this one. This is a macro lens. Now, I don't know about camera. I don't use one. I don't own one. I don't have one. Though I intend to have one. But this is a mobile macro lens. It may sound like stupid, but it is not. It really does take your game to some other level. I love this lens. Now, this is a 12x to 24x macro lens. It's a detachable lens. It has got two lenses, and it's from Apexel. I still remember a year ago, I was awake till 4 in the morning watching all the macro lenses video and deciding on which one to buy, and then I ended up buying Apexel and I do not regret it. It's so good. By the way, the packaging is not that great, it's okay, and honestly I do not care about packaging of anything other than makeup, so it's okay. So these are the two lenses. I do not use one lens because it's gonna be too zoomed. One lens does the job for me, which is a 12x lens. Both of them are 12x lens. Together when you use it, it's a 24x zoom macro lens, but I use only the 12x one. I used to click a lot of pictures using this, but now I don't. I shot videos using this, all the zoomed out aesthetic shots, all the swatches, very zoomed out swatches, I do it with this one. Now this was like 1,000 rupees, I guess, 1,000 to 1,200, I don't remember. It's been long time, 1.5 years of me having this. I got it from their website itself. It is not available in Amazon. Get this one. This is a really good product. You know what, among all these things, two things I don't think I'm gonna able to replace. These two are basically my mic and this lens. I don't think I'm gonna able to replace it unless obviously I pay tons of money and buy a very expensive lens or a mic. Then it's obviously I can replace. These are all the things that literally I use on a daily life. This has helped me immensely to improve my content as well as to improve me as a person. So I hope this video helps in any way. I think there is nothing better than you guys watching my video and improving yourself. That's the best thing. That's like a warm hug. Hi everybody, so we have finally come to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you do, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Today is the last year of 2021, so please make sure to subscribe so that you can find me on 2022. Oh my god, it feels so great to say that. I'm so excited for this year. I really hope 2022 becomes a year where we can like literally hug each other, but yeah, I don't know about that though. Omicron is like, anyway, I wish a very happy holiday to you and your family. I'll go now and I'll meet you guys in my next video, which is going to be next year. It's kind of old, I think. This joke is not funny anymore. I apologize. All the products will be linked in the description box for you guys to check out, and until then, be happy and bye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I